Alright, so I'm going to show you how to make an animated GIF using the TED Talk videos. So just go to TED, find the video you want, and download it. Alright, while that's downloading, I'm going to open up Premiere, just do a new project, and browse to the file that I want to save it in. I'm saving everything to external hard drive, which is that little yellow thing you see in the corner, call it Goblin. And just go through the preliminary stuff and name your files. I'm naming it Jeff Speck, which is good. Alright, so great. Looks like the file is downloaded. Let's go back into Premiere and import it. Oh, but it's not in, okay, so it's not in the external, it's in the downloads folder. I have to move it from the downloads to the external, which is pretty easy. Just open up the downloads folder and open up the external. And I'm going to Premiere 2014 July, and I already made a folder 7/8/14 Jeff Speck. I date everything just to help me keep organized. So I moved it, the MP4 from TED, into the raw folder, and I'm creating a couple other folders, Final and GIF, for our project that we're about to create. Okay, so let's go back into Premiere. Import. Now go to the raw folder and just import the MP4. It's going to come up in the project window. So what you do is you grab that file and just drag it into the preview window. And so now you use this scrubber, this yellow piece, and I'm just dragging it back and forth to find the clip that you want. You can drag it back and forth. You can hit spacebar to start and stop the video. When I find a clip that I like, I'm going to select the brackets. There's an in and out bracket, and that'll give me the clip that I want. So let's select the in bracket, and it'll highlight that line blue, and the out bracket, grab the video icon and pull that video straight into the timeline. So now I have that clip that I want, but I need to fine tune it. So I'm gonna go into the timeline, I'm gonna hit plus a couple times, and now I'm just gonna start to select the area that I want. So I'm using this scrubber to move back and forth, and I'm gonna just grab the front end of the clip and pull it to the scrubber red line. And what I did after that was I selected the blank area just by clicking on it, and I hit delete, and then it just got rid of all the extra space. So now I'm going in and I'm just looking for the most epic air quote section that I can find. This is where like styling comes in a little bit. So as you can see, his head dips a little bit. I just want to take that out. I just want like basically the fingers in kind of a stagnant head, but there. Something that looks like it'll loop well over and over and over. That looks good. I like that. I'm going to go to File, Export Media. I'm going to change the format to H.264. It's a pretty standard format. Go to the presets and go to HD 720 with 23.976 frames per second. And as you can see, I have the original bounding area box, so it's looks like the same file that I just downloaded. So yeah, selected the output name and just located where I wanted to save in the external hard drive, and just hit export, and it should be there. Let's go check on it. Okay, so Premiere 2014 July, Jeff Speck Final. Great. So now it's in video file. I just hit spacebar to preview it, and it's really short clip there. That's good. Now we have to take it into Photoshop, and that's where we take the video and make it into individual frames. So I just went File, Import Video Frames to Layers, and it'll ask me if I want to select a certain range of the video or if I just want to keep it as is. And since we already pretty much clipped what we want, I'm just going to import as is, and I'm just scrubbing back and forth just to make sure that I like it. Alright, so I imported it, and it's just 5 frames, but it's a little bit fast, so I'm going to change the speed. I'm just going to select all the frames and change it to 0.1 seconds, or do it again and just go to other, change it to 0.15 just to slow it down just a hair more. That looks good. I like that. Now I just want to go to File, Save for Web, and that's where you get the GIF part of it. Yeah, the image size, I'm going to change it to, I'm going to make it a little bit smaller to 720. That's still kind of big. Let's do 500. I like 500. It's just a GIF or GIF. I'm not going to get over that. And if it's small, it's fine. So yeah, when you hit save, it'll ask you where you want to save it, and I'm going to save it on the external in my GIF folder. Hit save, and then we should be done. Let's go check it out. I hit spacebar, and there it is. So now you have infinite air quotes, and that's how you do it.